Experiencing problems with your Tesco mobile pay-as-you-go service? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with balance checks, bundle activation, and APN settings. The most frequent issues that cause your service to not work are related to your balance not updating, bundles failing to activate, or incorrect APN settings. First, check your signal strength and ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. Next, confirm that your SIM card is properly inserted using the correct steps. Confirm that your top-up was successful by checking your balance. If problems persist, use USSD codes like 10hen to check your balance and verify bundle status. Keep in mind that issues are frequently network-specific and related to O2's shared infrastructure. For APN issues, ensure settings are correct and SIM is compatible. Issues are frequently network-specific and related to O2's shared infrastructure. If your balance isn't updating, try topping up via digital payments like Apple Pay or Google Wallet, which have fewer delays. If bundles fail to activate, ensure your APN settings are correct. The default APN should be prepay.tesco-mobile.com or everythingeverywhere.com for some O2 users. Manually update this in your phone's network settings and restart your device. For persistent issues, especially with the app, contact Tesco Mobile Support at 344-324-9222 or via live chat. As a last resort, consider switching to a Tesco SIM-only plan for improved reliability. Also keep an eye out for eSIM adoption for PayYG, which could eliminate physical SIM-related APN problems in the future.